Looking to link teamwork.com with Trello but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, along with some tips and tricks to make your workflow smoother. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate both tools and streamline your project management process. Before we dive in, if you're new to these platforms or just getting started, you can try both teamwork.com and Trello for free through the link in the description below. Plus, we have some exclusive bonuses for you. Stick around till the end to hear more about that. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's clarify why you'd want to link teamwork.com with Trello in the first place. Both of these platforms are incredible project management tools, but they serve slightly different purposes. Teamwork is a full suite solution for managing projects, time tracking, collaboration, and task management, while Trello is more visually focused, helping teams track tasks using boards and cards. Connecting these two lets you leverage the strengths of both, creating a seamless workflow across your team's tools. Now, onto the linking process itself. To begin, you'll need to have both teamwork.com and Trello accounts set up. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do that first, then come back here. Don't worry, it's free to get started with both platforms. Next, head to the teamwork.com integrations page, where you'll find a list of compatible apps, including Trello. Teamwork offers a range of integrations, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Trello. You'll need to connect the two through Teamwork's Apps section. Once you're there, search for Trello and select it. You'll be prompted to authorize Teamwork to access your Trello account. This step ensures that both platforms can communicate with each other. Once you've granted access, you'll be able to link specific Trello boards to your Teamwork projects. Here's where it gets useful. When you add a Trello board to a Teamwork project, your tasks, due dates, and other key details will automatically sync up. So, any changes made in Trello, like updating task progress or moving cards between lists, will reflect in your Teamwork project and vice versa. It's important to note that Teamwork will sync with Trello on a one-way basis, meaning changes in Teamwork will update Trello, but not the other way around. So, be aware that if you're using both platforms simultaneously, it's best to do most of your work in Teamwork if you want full control over the synchronization. Once set up, you can easily track tasks between the two platforms. You can assign tasks in Teamwork, and those tasks will show up on your linked Trello boards. This is incredibly helpful if your team prefers Trello's layout, but you want to manage broader project details and time tracking in Teamwork. What about automating this? There are tools like Zapier and Integromat that can help you further automate the process. With these tools, you can set up automated actions between Teamwork and Trello, such as creating a new Trello card whenever a task is assigned in Teamwork. This can save you time and prevent the need for manual updates. So, why would you go through the effort of linking these two? The main advantage is streamlining your workflow. Whether your team uses Trello for its easy-to-use boards or Teamwork for its detailed project management features, linking them helps maintain consistency across platforms. You can stay organized without missing a beat when updating project tasks, all while avoiding manual data entry. And here's the best part. By using both tools together, you ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. The visual aspects of Trello combined with the project management power of Teamwork can help keep your team on track and highly efficient. Now, if you're thinking of trying Teamwork and Trello together, don't forget to use the link in the description below. Not only can you get started for free, but with our exclusive bonus, you'll get an extended free trial to help you explore everything these platforms have to offer. To recap, linking teamwork.com with Trello is straightforward and opens up a world of efficiency for your team. You'll be able to leverage the strengths of both platforms and automate key workflows that will save you time. Plus, you're getting access to exclusive bonuses through our link below, so take advantage of that and get started today.